everyone, I'm Jannati Anisha Bonna and I'm back again with another maths lesson on sets. Today we will look at Venn diagrams with 2 and 3 sets. If you haven't watched part 1 and 2 of sets, the link will be in the description box below, or if you're watching this video on Facebook, the link will be in the caption. If you're having trouble with sets or learning this for the first time, watch all the 3 parts of sets and hopefully by the end of today's lesson, you'll have a clear understanding of the topic. With that being said, let's begin our today's maths lesson. Here we have 5 different types of Venn diagrams representing sets. The first one, we have 2 sets A and B. And set A and set B has some common parts between them, which is this region. Here, set A has some part which is not common in B, and set B has some parts which is not common in A, and together they have a part which is common between them. And the next one is a Venn diagram where A and set B is totally separated. That means there is no common part between set A and set B. All the parts of set A is totally different from all the parts of set B. After that we have B is a subset of A. That means all the region of set B is there in set A. However, all the regions of set A is not common in set B. We have set A and we have set B, and set B is a set which is inside set A. And then we have a Venn diagram containing 3 sets: set A, set B and set C. Here we have common part between set A and set B. We also have common part between set B and set C. However, there is no common part between set A and set C. So the Venn diagram is like this. And lastly, we have this Venn diagram containing set A, set B and set C. In this Venn diagram, all the 3 sets have common parts. Set A and set B has some common parts. Set A and set C has some common parts. And set B and set C has some common parts. And all of them together have a common part. First of all, we have A intersection B. A intersection B means the common part between A and B. Here, the common part between A and B is this part. This is the part which is common in both A and B. So we have shaded this region. And then we have A union B. A union B means both A and B. That means set A plus set B. Everything within set A and everything within set B. So here we have shaded a whole region of set B and whole region of set A, and together it becomes A union B. After that, let's look at complement of A. Complement of A means everything within the universal set except A. So we have shaded everything within the universal set except set A. Same with complement of B. Complement of B means everything within the universal set except set B. So we have shaded everything within the universal set except set B. Here we have another Venn diagram, complement of A union B. So here you can see we have shaded everything within the universal set except this part. Why is that? So let's look at a Venn diagram where none of the region is shaded. So first of all, let's mark each of the region of the Venn diagram. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here we have 4 parts or 4 regions. First of all, we have complement of A. Complement of A in this Venn diagram, this is the same Venn diagram as that one, except this is marked. The complement of A in this Venn diagram is region number 3 and region number 4. Region number 3 and region number 4 is the complement of set A. And then we have B. Here B is 3 and 2. 3 and 2 is the region B. And here we have union. Union means all of them. So here 3, 4 and 3, 2. So the union of set complement of A union B will be, we have 3, we have 2 and we have region number 4. So if we shade region number 3, part 3, and then we have 2 which is this part and 4 which is this part. So the region's complement of A union B will be whole set B and outside set A and B. Then we have complement of A intersection B, and here the region shaded is only this part. Why is that? Now let's look at the same Venn diagram. So first of all, complement of A, region 3 and 4 is the complement of set A. And then we have B. The region B, set B is 2 and 3. 2 and 3. And here we are told intersection. Intersection, we know that means the common part. Only the common part between the sets. In set complement of A, we have 3 and 4, and B, in set B we have 2 and 3. Only 3 is common in complement of set A and B. So the region we will shed will be only region number 3. So here we have shaded region number 3. Here we have the Venn diagram with 3 sets. Set A, set B and set C. So let's look at which part is for which sets. First of all, we have set A. This whole circle is set A. And this part is only for set A. There is no set B or set C. This whole circle is set B, and this part is only for set B. There is no set A or set C. This whole circle is set C, and this part is only for set C. There is no set A or set B. And we have this region which is common in all of the sets. Here we have parts of set A, set B and set C. This region is only for set A and set C. No parts of set B is here. And this region is only for set B and set C. No parts of set A is here. And finally, we have this region which is for set A and B only. No parts of set C is here. Now let's look at these 6 Venn diagrams. These are the miniature versions of this set. And the first one, we have shaded A intersection C. A intersection C means the common part between set A and set C. The common part between set A and set C is this region. That means this region is the common part between set A and set C. And then we have A intersection B. A intersection B means the common part between set A and set B. The common part between set A and set B is this region. That means this whole region is the common part between set A and set B. After that, we have B intersection C. B intersection C means the common part between B and C. The common part between C and B is this region. And we have shaded this region in the miniature version of this Venn diagram. Finally, let's look at these three Venn diagrams representing three sets. The first one is complement of A union B intersection C. First, we will look at the part in the bracket. It says complement of A union B. So let's mark the regions which is the complement of A union B. These parts are A union B. So this region and this region is the complement of A union B. And then intersection C. So let's look at the parts which is C. This part, this part, this part and this part is C. And here we have to find the intersection. That means the common part. The common part is only this region. So we have shaded only this region. And the next one is complement of A union C intersection B. The complement of A union C. In this Venn diagram, this part and this part is the union of A and C. So the complement is this part and this part. And then we have B. The parts which are in B are this one, this one, this one and this one. So the common part between complement of A union C and B is only this part. So we have shaded only this part. And then we have complement of B union C intersection A. So first of all, let's look at complement of B union C. The regions of complement of B union C are this region and this region. And we have A. This region, this region, this region and this region is set A. So the intersection, that means the common part between these two is only this part. So we have shaded only this part. Complement of B union C intersection A will only be this part. With that, we are ending this maths lesson. Today we learned how to shade regions in a Venn diagram by using set notations. If you find our videos helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!